So, nandito po tayo sa step number 2 ng discharge permit application. At dito ay hinihingi sa atin ang product information. So, kung kayo po ay merong production, meron kayong product, makikita nyo sa inyong environmental compliance certificate or certificate of non-coverage, lagi naka-indicate yung mga capacity, production capacity. So, if you have this product, dito sa step number 2, ang sagot nyo dito ay yes. Kung wala naman, proceed na kayo sa step number 3 after nyo ma-select yung no. Bawa sa hospital, ano naman product doon? So, you can say no. Sa mga manufacturing, processing industries, meron. So, halimbawa, meron kayong product, so you can say yes, and then sasagutan nyo itong step number 2. Para masagutan nyo yung required information, click nyo lang itong add button. So, click natin yan. Tapos, dito tatanungin ka kung ano ang product name. Diba, meron kayong product, ang product natin ay fried chicken. Tapos sa iyong CNC, ang production ay nakalagay, halimbawa po, ay 100,000 servings. O let's say pieces. 100,000 pieces. Now, ano yung actual production in the previous year? Yun yung data mo sa pag-apply mo ng discharge permit ngayon. So, yung last year, halimbawa, 90,000 pieces. Yan yung actual production. And then, yung type of process ay batch. Now, you just click this button save para ma-encode sa system sa ating step number 2. Ganun lang yung um, step number 2. At kung meron ka pang ibang product, ano naman yung product na yon, indicate mo lang dito sa step number 2. Again, kung wala kayong product, napaka-convenient, just select no at mawawala naman yung information. You can now proceed with step number 3 by clicking this button, proceed. So, yan lang yun. Okay? So, thank you very much for listening, at if you think this video is helpful, please like this video, please share this video, and thank you very much for time listening, and God bless us all.